Hey guys, it's me, Star, and today we are going to be unboxing Littlest Pet Shop. Littlest Pet Shop, the chicken look set. It's so adorable and so cute. So let me show you what the box looks like. So this is the box, and it comes with a chicken, a sleeping mask, a clock, a tiny chicken, and a hat. And of course, it is by Hasbro. So where I live in the Middle East, you don't really get to see many LPS and MLP. So yeah. And then at the back we have billions of languages that we're not going to read. And then we have these little cute little pictures of the baby chicken and the mommy chicken. And you can call it daddy or mommy. And these are all the other LPS you can collect. I have only got a few of these. Only one of them, like the owl. So I'm gonna collect more. I'm brand new to collecting. So without further ado, let's start opening this package. So this is what the set looks like. Let's open it up. It was really easy to open up, but to get out the LPS, it's really hard. You get this little list, and you get the LPS. Let me just take everything out. And it was stuck with this, and I actually removed it while opening it. So this is what the set comes with, and unfortunately the chicken does not stand up, so that's why it's laying down. First, let's take a look at the chicken. The chicken is just a plain little chicken, like a chicken. Yeah, but Hasbro has never made a chicken LPS, so it's very cute. So it has orange and yellow mixture in the front of her face, and she has brown eyes, and yeah, she has little red thingies coming out. I don't remember what they're called. And she has a little, and a red hair type, and she has blue body with yellow neck, and she has orange paws. And yeah, that's the chicken. Next is the mini duck chicken. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a duck. So yeah, you can call it whatever you want to. It's a yellow plain duck with simply like a normal duck, and she has blue eyes. She's very cute. She has orange little paws as well. She even has a little tail. It's very cute. So that, yeah. It comes with little goggles. Like sleeping mask that they could put on, and hopefully it would fit, but we're gonna try it at the end of the video. Next, it comes with a super cute clock which opens up. So it opens up. So it opens and closes. Sorry, my background just fell. So it opens and closes, but I'm just gonna leave it closed. So yeah, that's the clock. And there's a little accessory for the baby chicken, which is a hat, which unfortunately does not fit, and that is very sad. So yeah. Now what we're going to test is that if the the sleeping mask actually does fit. And it does! I'm so happy it does, because I thought it wouldn't, and I'm so happy it does. Like I said, the chicken does not stand up, so does the hat doesn't fit. It just, kind of fit. Yay! So yeah. Sorry guys, that was it of the chicken. So that was it of the chicken family. I hope you like it. So yeah, and I managed to stand her up. So yeah. Thank you for watching this unboxing videos. If you want more unboxing videos, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and share. Bye, and follow me on Instagram and Musically and on Facebook. Bye guys.